Hey everybody, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you guys saw this message. I'm going to show you step by step on how to actually create your account and just show a little bit of the information inside the software for the first day of the 60-day challenge. First thing you need to go is just go to that Facebook post and click on the link right there. Once you do that, it'll take you to a page right here where you can click on the two buttons, one at the top or bottom for the 60-day trial. And then you'll just put in your information in here. So I'm just actually going to put in my information all over again. The only thing I'm going to do different is create a different user account so that way it doesn't conflict with my current account with it, and then add my personal information as well. And then I get to the last section, put in my country. Oh, there it is. Cool. Once you do that, it is a two-step verification. A lot of this information is going to be used so you can actually, it will automatically create your account for you. It takes about 5 to 15 minutes to create. This part is you're just going to, it's asking for the credit card information, but as long as you cancel the account within 60 days, it won't hit your card. That's why I'm making just a 60-day challenge so it doesn't feel like that we're trying to charge you or anything. I'm going to go ahead and pause it because, I don't want a recording with my credit card information, so give me 1 second. All right, and we just put in our credit card information, and then it takes us to this page right here, purchase confirmed. Thank you. We are currently creating your account. It normally takes 15 minutes to complete. Normally, it finishes within 5 minutes. You'll actually get a text message saying the following. Welcome aboard, Oren. We're thrilled to have you on this incredible journey with OverPower Marketing. Get ready to unlock a world of opportunity, knowledge, and growth. Your adventure with us starts now, and we're here to make it unforgettable. Give us about 5 to 15 minutes to create your account, and we will email your login shortly after new beginning. And that's basically the text that you're going to get. Once the text, after this point, normally takes about 5 minutes to get the email. So let me pause this video really fast, and then I'll get right back at it when the email comes in. Hi guys, so I just got the email and everything. So this is what it's going to look like. It's just going to say your name. It's going to give you a link, your email, password, and the two-step verification phone number, which is basically the cell phone, the number you put in. And then just recommend just changing your password afterwards. That's why I'm okay with showing this right now because I'm going to change it once I log in and show you how to do that as well. So the thing that's going to take you first is this login screen right here at app.overpowermarketing.com. You're going to put in that user or the email address and the password that came with it. Boom. And then it's going to ask for the two-step verification. You can do the email or text message. Text message normally goes a little bit faster, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Voila. Looks like it just came in. So let's go ahead and put this in. All right, once you're inside the software, it's going to take you to a page similar to what you see right here, where it basically shows a dashboard. The first place that I recommend going first is into your settings, and then just make sure that the first two sections are taken care of, your business profile and your My Profile. Inside the My Profile, you would add your photo, your first name, last name, email, phone if you want to change that out. If you want to connect to a specific calendar, which we'll talk about that later, add your signature file. So I have a signature for my email, so I'll go ahead and add that in a little bit. What times that you work. If you use Google Meet or a Zoom link, go ahead and add your meeting location here. Or if you do physical meeting, you could do the physical meeting location here as well. If you meet at your client's location, obviously I wouldn't put anything in there. That will automatically be added whenever that client puts in their service address. Password section is where you update your password. But the part that's most important is the two-way sync email. This will allow you to send and receive emails through the software or through your Gmail or Outlook account. That's why it's so crucially important. In the next video, I'll go a little bit more in depth on My Profile and Business Profile.